What's going on, y'all? Cuddy from Cuddy TV. We are back at it again with another episode. That's right, I told you guys we're going to be doing a whole bunch of different things on this channel. So if you haven't seen those recaps that we just did in Las Vegas, go check those out. And if you haven't learned about Dogecoin on Robinhood yet, you should probably go check that out too. But today we're going to be talking about dividend investing. I'm so excited to be talking about this with you guys. I'm a big dividend investor and I'm all in with dividend investing. So hopefully you are too. So you're gonna learn something new this episode, but if you've already been involved with dividend investing, then you can help me sharpen my iron and let me know if I'm saying everything right. I'm not a financial advisor, but I do wanna teach the youth about dividend investing. So this is what that is. This is what this episode is all about. And I got a free stock for you guys inside of the bio. So go claim that, get you a free stock, and start dividend investing today. Let's get started with the episode. Now, dividend investing. What is dividend investing? Why is it important? And how can I make some money by dividend investing? Well, let me tell you all of that here right now. I'm going to simplify all of this just so that me and you can understand it in a way that's for me and you. So what is dividend investing? If I had to tell you my own definition, I would say you are putting your money into a company and they are paying you either quarterly or monthly for you to keep your money inside of their company. It's probably the safest investment that you will make. There's literally no experience needed when you're dividend investing, except for, knowing about dividend yields and then obviously finding out when the companies pay out, because that's very important. Those are probably the two major things. And then of course, what kind of company is it? What's the credibility behind the company? How long is the company going to last? All of that is very, very important. But most of the dividend stocks that you're going to get are mostly going to be companies that you're familiar with today. Just to bring up some in my portfolio, I have dividend stocks like AT&T, which happens to be one of my highest dividend paying stocks that I have, actually. My second highest one is Shell gas station. Again, everybody in the world needs gas. Why not get paid from everybody paying to get gas? It just made sense to me. My third highest paying one is Exxon Mobil. And then I believe the last one before that is Ultra Emma. I just heard about that stock. So again, these are all safe companies to invest in. Obviously, they're going to be around for a very long time. Shell is not going anywhere. Exxon Mobil is not going anywhere. Places like AT&T, they almost sponsor everything, and the 5G is booming with them. So again, these are all safe picks that I made to start my dividend investing career. And these are all picks that you can take and use for yourself and just start learning about dividend investing and what it really is. So if that answered your question, what is dividend investing? Putting your money into a company and they pay you out either monthly or quarterly or yearly, whichever one you invest with. That's just the real simplified answer on what dividend investing is. Now, why should I be investing inside of dividends is probably your next question. Think about it kind of like a savings account. You're going to put money inside of a savings account for either the future or maybe your graduation gift or to go to college, whatever you're putting your money in your savings account for. And it's giving you a 2.5 yield. Let's say that most banks give you 1.4 or whatever. They're very, very low. So you trust your money sitting inside of a savings account because they're letting you know that they're going to be putting interest on top of your money. I believe that's what dividend investing is. It's the same exact thing. If you ask me, I'm putting my money into this company, and the more that I give them, the more that they pay me back out. Now, their payouts are bigger than if I had my money inside of a bank. My payouts are bigger as if I let my money sit inside of a bank. So that is why you should be dividend investing. Because if you plan on putting money inside of a savings account, you might as well put your money inside of a company and get more paid out to you on an annual basis, on a quarterly basis, or just on a monthly basis. So that is my why on why I dividend invest. My plan for dividend investing is to get a $1 million portfolio and to make $104,000 annually With all of the stocks I have inside of my dividend investment portfolio currently, my future projections once my portfolio hits $1 million will be $104,000 paid to me on an annual yearly basis. Sounds pretty good to me, doesn't it? Now, imagine if you had $1 million inside of a bank. How much are they going to pay you yearly? Do the numbers, do the math, and understand that that's the difference between putting your money in a bank and dividend investing. Now, while your money is being put in the safe place, you're probably wondering, okay, well, if I put $1 million in and I make $104,000 a year, how do I make that money, Cuddy? One of the easiest things about dividend investing is how you make money is putting money in. That's literally it. It doesn't matter about how much you start with, it doesn't matter about how much you have. Understand your first dividend purchase, you will be starting your dividend investing journey. And understand that how you make money is keeping your money with these stocks. Don't get your first dividend payment, take all of your money out, and then run. You have to keep your money inside of these companies to let that company grow and to let your money grow. So that's how you make your money. You make your money by literally putting money into a stock, and if you don't need that money, let that money reinvest itself so that it can continue to grow bigger. So in 5, 10, even 15 years, that $104,000 is now $350,000 you're getting yearly. And let's say you only use $150,000 of that. You now have $200,000 every year being reinvested to make you get a bigger pot in the future, obviously. So, I mean, I've given you guys some pretty good points. Why wouldn't you want to be doing dividend investing now? I put money in, more money comes, and if I keep my money in there, I'll have way more money in the future. That sounds like money plus money equals money. Dividend investing, guys. I made this video because I want not only my generation, not only the generation above me, but the youth to understand that if you're gonna spend money on jeans, if you're gonna spend money on cars, if you're gonna spend money on jewelry, just take a little bit of it and put it into dividend investing. Because in the future, all of the hard work that you're doing now, you won't have to do, because all of that money will be coming to you without you doing anything. I will be giving you guys some perks on dividend investing, actually. Dividend investing, you get paid without having to do anything. That's the biggest perk. You don't have to do anything after the money is already inside of that stock. So let your money sit there, let your money grow, and collect those dividend payments monthly, and go spend it on a couple of things. But before you spend it on a couple of things, make sure you're spending your money on some dividend stocks. I'm actually going to be giving you guys my top 3 picks on dividend stocks. Yeah, should I do this? Should I give you guys my top 3? Should I do that? I'm going to do it for you guys just because I like you. So I'm invested inside of 27 different dividend investment companies. I have some in energy, I have, again, some in technology, I have some in gas and oil, and I have some in other just lifestyle brands like Kellogg and General Mills. My top 3 picks for dividend investing, the stocks that I would invest in right now, my first one would be VOO, which is an ETF. This is going to be your retirement puppy. This is something that you just put money into and you don't even think about it for the next 20 to 25 years. Because this is going to be, I'm going to be making another video on ETFs, but let me tell you something. This is the dividend stock that you want. This is the ETF that you want. It's going to be your retirement plan for now and forever. ETFs is the way to go. Again, safe bets. So VOO would definitely be something I would have inside of my dividend investing portfolio because it's a retirement stock. It's something that's guaranteed. It has multiple other stocks inside of it that if any of them fail, they get pulled out and new ones get put in. So it only goes up. So safe bet for you guys, VOO. Number 1 stock that I would put on my list. Number 2, I would put AT&T. They are actually one of my higher end dividend payers. They pay monthly, I believe so. I've been getting paid from them monthly. They either pay every 3 months or monthly. I'm sorry if I don't have my numbers right, but guess what? AT&T been good to me, baby. So whenever they pay, they paying. AT&T, I believe their yield right now is 6.85, I believe, something around that range. I will update it, have the right number right here for you. But I know it's very, very high. AT&T is a very, very solid company, not going anywhere. Definitely want to invest inside of AT&T. Don't sleep on AT&T. And then for my last pick, I would have to say, if I had to give you guys a good, because I want to give you guys a good pick. I don't want to give you a pick I already said earlier in the video, which you should scroll back to, because those other 2 picks I said earlier are great picks. I'm going to leave you guys with Emmo. Emmo's been a high-paying dividend stock for me. It's one of my higher-end ones. And I think it's going to be around for a very long time. I've been getting nothing but good results from them. I'm still doing more research into their company, but I love the results that I've been getting from them stock-wise. So I'm going to trustfully say Emmo is my last top 3. So AT&T, VOO, and Emmo. Go do your research into those 3. Let me know if I picked good 3 ones. I think I got a lot. I got 27. So I'm trying to give you the sauce without giving you the sauce. But that's the sauce right there. AT&T, VOO, Emmo, they're going to guaranteed be paying your bills in the next couple of years if you put some money into them. So don't be cheap. Go invest. Start now. Think about it. If you're under 25 watching this, by the time you're 50, you won't be lifting a finger. Look at the people around you that are 50 and see if they're still lifting a finger. And understand that you have the opportunity right now to set your freedom. So, dividend investing, go do it. Don't be shy on it. Spend a couple of dollars, get a couple of dollars back. Trust me, it's worth it. We're gonna be doing, again, so many more videos. I just want you guys to comment below on what you want to see next. I might do my top 10 dividend stocks. Out of 27, I got a good 10 for y'all. So let me know what you want to see. It's Cuddy from Cuddy TV. We're going to be teaching a bunch of new things on this channel. So make sure you're subscribed. And then, of course, make sure you like the video so other people can see the video too. That's the whole point of all of this. Education. Pass it on. Cuddy from Cuddy TV, man, and I'm logging out. I can't wait to see you guys on the next episode.